Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Portmore Depot. This is a JUTC Portmore Depot. And this is where the new 100 CNG buses went. Because this depot is the only one that can fuel the CNG buses. So the routes closer to Portmore have the new buses running on it. Now guys, I want to ask you guys a question. Why doesn't the JUTC offer a service from Montego Bay, from Kingston to Montego Bay? A scheduled bus service where you could have two buses on the route running every day. Now, that is probably the most lucrative or the most profitable bus route in Jamaica. Other private bus companies operate it and make billions of dollars. That is the core route for private bus companies. So I'm wondering, why doesn't the JUTC operate on that route? They have the buses, and this is the fueling station for the CNG buses. This is how they fuel them. And the CNG gas is much cheaper to use than the diesel gas. So the government is saving billions of dollars by using these new buses. But the diesel buses are still in operation. And let's say the JUTC was to operate that route to Mobay, it's probably the diesel buses that they would use. And they have a bus service in Montego Bay called Montego Bay Metro. Uses the same buses like the JUTC. So I'm just curious as to why JUTC doesn't do that. Now they've started to operate from Kingston to St. Thomas, very successful route. They operate 2 buses a day and 5,000 people use the service in 1 week. And they now go to, I don't know if they go as far as Mandeville. I know they're starting to open up the route because of the highway to Mandeville or Maypen. But we'll talk about that one in a future video. But the service from Kingston to Montego Bay, very lucrative service, and that's the 2 international airports in Jamaica. So that is another reason why you have so much traffic, people going to and from the airports. Now JUTA, which is basically the tourist bus service in Jamaica, they are starting to operate a service from Kingston to Montego Bay. And even with Knutsford Express operating that route, JUTA is still going to operate. And I think JUTC should operate a service as well. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now I think the last time we did a tour of this depot, almost all 100 buses, or a good amount, were not quite a number of buses were still here. But as you can see, they have all been deployed now, and they're out on the road servicing the customers. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.